In this video, let's talk about logical operators. We have logical operator. The first one is going to be ampersand operator, which is equal to an AND operator. We will discuss about it in this video. We also have a pipe operator, which is equal to an OR operator, and we also have a negation operator. Whenever this negation operation is performed, it turns true value to false and false value to true. So let's see some examples to understand it better. Now here for an example, I'm going to say const check is equals to 4 is greater than 3. Let's use the AND operator or ampersand operator. I can use ampersand operator like this between these expressions. Here I will say 10 is greater than 5. Okay, now what happens is this ampersand operator is only true. This whole variable is going to be true only if both of these expressions are true. Now what do I mean by that? Now here you can see an example. 4 is greater than 3 and 10 is also greater than 5. If I console log the check here, as you can see, it is storing true value. That's because both of these expressions are true, and this ampersand operator checks for both of these expressions. This is going to be true only if both of these expressions are true. Now if I say here 13, obviously 13 is not less than 4. So if I now console log the check variable here, as you can see, it returns false even though 10 is greater than 5. That's how this ampersand operator actually works. Similarly, we also have a pipe operator, or you can say an OR operator. As you can see, we have already a value true. Let me explain. This pipe operator, or you can call OR operator, in the name there is an OR, right? Either this expression or either this expression. If one of them is true, it's gonna return true value to this variable. Now as you can see, 4 is greater than 3 and 10 is greater than 5. So obviously it's gonna return check. Now if I say here 13 is not less than 4, right? If I save that, as you can see, it still returns true, meaning either this expression or this expression. If one of them is true, then it's gonna return true. That's how an OR or a pipe operation actually works. Now similarly, we also have a negation operator. For that, let's just remove this. Okay, 4 is greater than 3. So obviously check is going to be true, right? So if I say const, let's just say here, if I say here, let's add these into an expression. So this is gonna return true. So if I say here a negation operator, this is gonna return true. This negation operator is gonna return the opposite. So if I save that, as you can see, it returns false. Here it is returning true, but this negation operator converts false value to true. If it is true, then it's gonna convert to false. If it is false, then it's gonna convert to true. So for example, if I say here 13 is not less than 4. So if I save that, this is gonna return false, right? Now this negation operator, let's see what that does. As you can see, it returns true. That's how this negation operator actually works. Similarly, let's take one more example. Right below here, const is light on. I'm gonna say it to true. I'm gonna say const is light off. Instead of saying false here, I can say negation of is light on. Now if I console log is light off, as you can see, We might have made some error. Is light off. Okay, that should be small. Okay, now if, as you can see, let's remove this console log for now. Okay, as you can see, it's storing false. We don't have to write false here. I just did, this is storing true, so I just did the negation of that variable, which is containing true, and the negation is going to convert it to false. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to discuss about increment operators and decrement operators. So I will see you in the next one.